How to use subprocess command with pipes. I want to use subprocess.check_output with PSA, grep process_name. I tried various solutions but so far nothing worked. Can someone guide me how to do it?
To use a pipe with the subprocess module, you have to pass shell equals true. However, this isn't really advisable for various reasons, not least of which is security. Instead, create the PS and grep processes separately, and pipe the output from one into the other, like so. In your particular case, however, the simple solution is to call subprocess.check_output PS, and then str.find on the output.
Or you can always use the communicate method on the subprocess objects. The communicate method returns a tuple of the standard output and the standard error.
Using input from subprocess.run, you can pass the output of one command into a second one.
See the documentation on setting up a pipeline using subprocess, this URL. I haven't tested the following code example, but it should be roughly what you want.